If you're an Indian exporter and your AEO status just got suspended, I know exactly how you're feeling right now. The panic, the confusion, and that sinking feeling in your stomach. Let me be straight with you. This is serious, but it's not the end of your business. AEO status suspension means you've lost your fast-track privileges. No more priority customs clearance, no more reduced documentation. Your shipments will now face the same delays as everyone else, and trust me, that's going to hurt your bottom line. But here's what most people don't understand. Suspension happens for specific reasons. Maybe your documentation wasn't up to mark. Perhaps your security protocols had gaps. Or there were issues with your financial records. The Customs Department doesn't suspend AEO status on a whim, so what do you do now? First, don't panic. Second, get your compliance team together immediately. You need to identify exactly what went wrong. Was it a documentation issue, a security breach, financial irregularities? You can't fix what you don't understand. Next, start working on your reinstatement application right away. The longer you wait, the more money you're losing on delayed shipments. Review every single process, strengthen your internal controls, and make sure this never happens again. Your AEO status isn't just a certificate, it's your competitive edge in global trade. Fight to get it back, but more importantly, make sure you deserve to keep it this time.